Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing live. So in this live we will talk about crypto overall market, how we are doing, and very soon you will see some of the owners of Coinbase, like CEOs of Coinbase, FTX, and some of the big giants in crypto world will be visiting Fed. So let's see how everything's gonna look like in upcoming days. So overall guys, if you have joined, then you can write on the chat anything you want to say, any specific cryptocurrency you want me to chart, you can write in the comment section. So yeah, so let me know guys if you're here. So, and also I have arranged a poll. If you want, you can vote as well. So how does your portfolio looks right now? Wow, almost like, okay, 14% they voted that green and 86% red. That actually answers my question, like how we are doing overall in general. So wow, that's good, 22%. So it's going up now. So somebody is saying so it's kind of good. Let's see how many votes we can see today. Okay, let's read out the comment first. So Informer here, he wrote like he wants to know about AMP and GN. So GN, last time I have mentioned that you have to, if I don't know the latest news about GN. So what happened with me is I went to Coinbase because every morning I check everything. So I went to Coinbase and I found that GN specific coin is like pumping. So I just looked at the graph and I noticed nothing else. I saw in the graph that it's gonna go up. It just had its pullback. So I went to Coinbase and I brought GN. And I went to internet after buying GN, and the first thing I saw is a stable coin. And the first question I asked myself, if it's a stable coin, then why it's going up? Why we have a graph going up and down? So overall, if you see the scenario that actually what happens is it was Coinbase glitch. So they should apologize to everyone for that. And right now they kind of like unlisted GN. So they are investigating right now the issue. So very soon you will see that they will come up with some solutions and you will get your funds back. I don't know if they yet release their fund or not, but I sold all the GNs I had after buying it within 5 to 6 minutes. I made a video as well, but the bad thing what I did is I did not make any videos for you guys to say that it's a stable coin. So I thought guys, like, you guys should know that, but I got my funds back because I took action immediately. So what I will suggest guys, before buying something, you should see some videos, some also, like, you should search it on internet what is specific that coin. You cannot buy anything that comes on the internet. You should do little bit research, at least watch 4 to 5 videos. And these days I see a lot of FOMOs in the market, which I don't actually like, because they are saying that also Shiba Inu, they're hoping Shiba Inu to reach all-time highs, and also Dogecoin, they think like Dogecoin will hit $2 very soon. So this kind of things I don't like. They're like FOMOing stuff right now. So let's go back to the comment section. Hunter, Block, Meta Hero, UFO are going to be solid projects. Yes, I agree. Gregory, Crowcoin, I bought GN today. You bought GN today. Wow, it's a stable coin, right? BTC is slowly pumping, but volume is low. BTC may dump from 50,500. Well, it depends. Well, if you look at SPY, And overall the markets in US and also in the Europe, you'll see the market is doing good. Last time the market was down due to COVID fear, and because of that Bitcoin also went down. There was greedy leverage traders as well in the market. So a lot of things were in the middle. But right now the market is looking good, and we have some good news that new variant won't be that much effective if we take the vaccination. So having said that, guys, let's move on to the Bitcoin graph. So over here we can see that Bitcoin is making a doji over here. So right, so whenever we make this kind of moves, we rarely make like only 10% pullback, then we jump up towards upward direction. You can see over here, after making a doji, we slowly move towards upward direction. So here I'm expecting Bitcoin to go towards 70,000, 74,000 very soon. So these are my suppositions, but overall I have to show you a few news that one of the Evergrande company, they actually in a very big debt, about 300 billion. So if governments pressures them, they have to sell their assets in the cryptocurrencies, then cryptocurrency will get a big hit because of that. And also I see like one more news about Coinbase, FTX, and other CEOs. They're gonna be visiting Feds really soon. So the fate of cryptocurrencies will be decided because they are the big fishes of the market. So let's see what kind of protocols and what kind of rules and regulations we have in the upcoming times. Because guys, graphs are looking good, but overall if the news are bad, then all the big bulls, the industrialists, and also like institutions, they're gonna drop Bitcoin because they all fear of their money, right? They're gonna take dump money to the smart money so they can accumulate on that. But overall cryptocurrency, if you look cryptocurrency, I don't think that's gonna be happening, because everything what will happen will be for good. Because if you look at Web3, we actually in need of new technologies these days, because I believe that crypto and Bitcoin will become reserved currencies for us. That's the only solution I see for upcoming time for us to be in that level where we want to go. So having said that, guys, let's go back to the comment section. Hit the 50 weekly, will dump hard. And Liam, check graph 2012 2017, hit the 50 weekly and dumped shortly after. Okay, I will have a look in that, but it doesn't mean that we did it in 2012 and 2017. That doesn't mean that we're gonna repeat that as well. But having said that, guys, there are possibilities. But if you look at here, like 55 days moving average, you will see that we are actually doing good. We are bouncing back on 55 days. I'll zoom in a bit for you. Just look at this. We are bouncing back from our 55 days moving average, right? So I think we're good. We're in a good condition. If no bad news comes in, then I think we're gonna run for another higher high. So January, from end of December or like beginning of January, I think like we will have more green days coming. So I'm totally in opposite direction. So let me know, guys, in the comment section what do you think about overall market structure, the market scenario. Let's go with the pool. So what's happening with the pool over here? Okay, I can't see the pool right now, but let's see. Okay, I think like I lost the pool section over here. Anyways, I'll read the comments out. EMP, please. Oh, Jim is back. Hey Jim, welcome back. How do we pick targets for buy and sell? Well, Jim, at the moment I see market is very volatile. Just slow down and let's study the market, because tomorrow or day after there will be some big news coming, because a lot of CEOs are going to meet the Fed and lawmakers. So let's see how we survive that meeting, and then we will see, because something will come up after all. So let's go back with the live chat. So, yo James, glad to see you. Hey Mas, glad to see you back as well. Dokan, it sucks that you can't buy a lot of the gaming cryptos on Coinbase. Yeah, it sucks, kind of sucks, because actually gaming NFTs I think are the future, because I don't know why Coinbase does like this, because these days Coinbase is just listing anything, but they are not listing like this kind of some of the cool projects, like some of the cool projects you already know. So overall you can see that in here, let's talk about Decentral and Mana, why it's down, because a lot of people are talking about Decentral and Mana, why it's going down, and like what's happening with Decentral and Mana. So you can see like let's go with Trading View, and that will be great. Okay, Informer, I will go with AMP as well. So yeah, I would be very much happy if Coinbase starts listing those kind of tokens or coins. That will be awesome, because these are the future. I think play to earn like GALA and stuff, if they add up more like this, then I think like in long run they will be the only gainers. Also will be the gainers, but Coinbase as well, because everybody will prefer Coinbase, because these days everyone is like preferring Binance, you all know. So let's see what's happening with Mana. So over here you can see that Mana, a lot of panic was from retail traders, because retail was buying GALA a lot back days, like back in November. Yeah. So after that we had this flash crash of Bitcoin, and then like a lot of newbies and retail traders, they just left Mana, and they will come back once they see like it's pumping again. Because but few things I don't like is if we start making new drops. But I say it every time that if, for example, we go towards 55 and pull back towards even lower lows, like for example 38 or 40,000, then it's bad for overall cryptocurrency market, because a lot of newbies, they will leave cryptos forever, and crypto will lose a lot of users, I would say, like, right? So because right now we have 400 million cryptocurrency users worldwide, but it will slowly come towards maybe 300 million, 200 millions. So we need to go up anyways, because bulls, we have to be one step ahead of the bulls. So okay, so here let's go with the live chat. Informer, okay, I'll go back with AMP after Mana. Crowcoin for sure, Holder, LRC. Obey this driving, man. Yeah, it's good that you're listening, but drive safe, so because the driving is the first priority for you right now. So let's Token. You rock too, Token. Leon, I'm losing faith in Mana. Don't lose, because the retails are out, and this is the time where bulls will look into Mana. So this is one thing I see that's gonna change the whole game for us. And in Mana, do you believe in metaverse projects? Who was it? It was Leon. Leon, do you believe in metaverse projects? If you don't, then you'd say like, okay, these things doesn't work. But personally, I believe in metaverse projects, and if Meta project actually starts running, if people actually goes to Meta and starts using those projects, this kind of Mana and stuff, this Decentral and Mana Sandbox, they're gonna skyrocket towards moon. And you see this $3.75 it's like they're selling it into pennies, because look at this, 1.8 billion circular supply and the market cap is 6 billion. So one thing that if metaverse projects starts rolling and everybody is using metaverse, even if we can reach Cardano market cap 47 billion, do you know how much it will, or more than 20 euros? So this mana and stuff is like selling on pennies. So these are the early days. If we had this dip a few days ago, I think this was the perfect location. It was in Black Friday sale, we didn't even get that. So I think like this one was the perfect dip. So if we bounce back, rally slowly back towards upward direction, towards 5-6, that'll be awesome. A lot of people who brought here will be making minimum, let's see how much, minimum 43% profit. That means a lot. So let's go with AMP. Somebody was asking for AMP. So AMP was, okay, let's zoom in. Sometimes, you know, this kind of trend lines don't work, but you have to come with basics, because sometimes they are in bearish trend. They follows like bearish trend. You can see it on your eyes, but you have to confirm. Look at this bearish trend, and right now we are breaking it. That's good. AMP is looking good, guys. So because if you look at here, technically we were bearish, right? We were following bearish trend, and look, and right now we broke out of the channel. So let's see how is AMP looking right now. So right now we got rejected from 382. Maybe we will have a small pullback towards our 55 days moving average, which is on 5 cents. Maybe we will go back towards 0.55, and then we can aim for higher highs, maybe 0.06 in upcoming days. That'll be good, because in that case we will be breaking all the resistance level we created last time, and not the major one. Major one is somewhere else. So breaking these ones will make us you know, kind of breaking out of this bearish trend. Then we can aim for even higher highs. And let's look at our RS, MACD, the volumes and stuff. Yeah, so RS is on 66, so we should have a pullback that will reset our RS. And let's look at MACD lines. MACD lines are under 0. That's also good indication, and volumes are still slowly rising. So let's see 1 or 2 more days. Let's see the pullback, how much we get the pullback, maybe 5 to 10%. 10% will be perfect. So yeah, let's go back to the chat. Yeah, so Leon believes in metaverse project. So yeah, of course that answers you, Leon, that this thing will gonna skyrocket one day. So because if metaverse project starts rolling, everybody will be using, like for example, if everybody uses Facebook, the stock price of Facebook goes up, right? If everybody starts using metaverse projects, and you will see that these kind of things will start going to the moon. For example, coins like sand and also mana will start going to the moon. So look at this, Blocktopia, No Shire, Gregory, clever hidden gem. Yeah, mana is hidden gem. Okay, SA Trader, I think AMP and GALA are hidden coins that will pump going strong. Well, AMP, I have seen that it got rejected on 786, not once but twice on 7 cents. So you can aim for 5 to 7 cents rally for AMP for sure, because look at this here, we never went above 7 cents. So I see like average 5 to 7 cents we will rally between this thing. It looks like somewhat stable. So yeah, GALA, I made my first video when GALA was around 9 cents. I was telling everyone that this is gonna at least 5x. So right now, whoever watched that video from before, like from the beginning of this channel, I have always mentioned this, that GALA will skyrocket to the moon, and today you can see in your eyes. So let's move on with token. My main crypto investment has to be Crow coin though. Yeah, my 60% of my wallet is full of Crow coin. So in a long run, going to be huge, of course. Yeah, I have mentioned in my all live streams that I'm really bullish on Crow. It's just a matter of time. You have to wait and stuff. Luca, Crow, please. Yeah, Luca, I have made a video last time, like last minute, like not last minute, today, about Crow coin. You can have a look on that because Crow is, in my sense, Crow is bullish. Most of the altcoins are bullish. They are trying to be, they are trying to break out. Let's see how Bitcoin does. Then I would say they all will break out at the same time. Not all, but mostly. So VeChain is next. GALA. Well, I don't know. I have to look if BTC recovers from Ilya. Okay, not Ilya. Lian. Hot Rodex. Nice. My main is Crow coin. Yeah, same here. My main of 60% of my, wallet consists of Crow coin. So let's go. As everybody was saying Crow, let's go into Crow. So what's happening over here? Let's see. Okay, so let me find something in the graph so I can show you over here. In my last video I have mentioned that Crow is forming one kind of like double bottom pattern. You can see some kind of W shape. That means double bottom. We have a small pullback or rally over here, and then boom, we go towards upward direction. So this one is my target for upcoming days, double bottom. So I'll show you what is double bottom in from Google. Okay, so double bottom pattern. So yeah, here you go, double bottom. So let me find a perfect example for you so we all can enjoy it on this live stream. So yeah, here I think you guys can see it over here. Let me go to the main page. So yeah, you can see on the Google that it looks like W. We have double bottom, and then we like kind of skyrocket to the moon. Okay, so here it is, guys. If you can see it, like double bottom, it kind of comes from the bottom. The first impulsive move, we get it from the bottom. You can see exactly what we are following over here, and sometimes it doesn't matter whether it's coming from the like bottom or coming from like upper direction, but overall the thing which matters is this W shape, actually double bottom, and then the price kind of goes towards higher highs. So this is one thing I wanted to show you guys. So yep, we are forming this in here, double bottom. You can say it's a cup and holder as well, it depends, but cup and holder should be like this, it's like messy. Cup and holder should be like this, but we are missing this section over here of the graph. So it's not actually cup and holder, it's more like double bottom, and we are rallying towards higher highs. So yeah, most of the altcoins are forming similar kind of patterns. So I think like most of the altcoins will fly to the moon very soon. So somebody, Jim, I'm in at 40% to 40%, like 40% of your wallet, or I didn't get you, Jim. Informer, Dogecoin, Mars. So yeah, let's talk about Dogecoin, Mars, and I have to tell you guys something because about meme coins. So you guys have to be very careful about meme coins because these are totally gambling. You guys are gambling with meme coins because nothing else. Meme coins has no use cases. For example, look at this. We have our major resistance level over here, right? On 2530, for example. I'm not going very deep, but from zoom out point. And then look at this. We are constantly creating lower lows. That means we are following a bearish trend. You can see bearish trend, and we never came out. Once we tried to came out towards upward direction, and it was a fake breakout, and we immediately went down. It was bear trap. I can say that it was a perfect bear trap for us, because a lot of people thought, okay, it broke the resistance level over here as well, let's get in, and all of a sudden it went down. So yeah, that's good. But overall, I see Dogecoin Mars will take a long time to bounce back, because it's getting rejected. You can see it's getting rejected over 236 on 1400. So, and also guys, these are the perfect times like to get the dip. Like you don't have to go 100%, because anytime it can happen like this. For example, if you are getting in the dip for 100% of your budget, all of a sudden it can go down, right? It can be a bear trap. Really, seriously guys, it can be a bear trap. So you shouldn't invest 100% of your budget into this kind of dips. Just invest like 40-50%. That is what I do. Even if we get a bear trap, I don't care. If we go down, I'll buy more 20% with another. I'll buy another dip. So so we can have dip under a dip. So overall, these are the scenarios, worst case scenarios. And if we actually bounce back from here, as I mentioned that whenever we had doji, we kind of bounced back. Maximum we had was like 10% pullback, but most of the cases we bounced back. And look at this weekly chart, guys. If we can end this week in a green, then I'm sure that we are going to bounce back, because the US and also European markets are doing really good. So Christmas is coming. Nobody wants to ruin the Christmas, whether it's anyone. So Jim, Crow, yeah, okay, now I understand that Jim has 40% of its wallet covered by Crow coin. What are the other coins you guys are holding? You guys can write me on the comment section, in the live chat section. I'll read it out for you. Any thoughts you have about crypto crashing or mooning, or whatever crypto you're holding right now. Okay, Stefan is back here. Hey Stefan, welcome to the live stream. Yeah, I agree. Meme coins and gamblings are one of the same. Good comparison. Yeah, of course. Even though I was introduced to crypto through Dogecoin. Yeah, most search crypto coins in the market are like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Although I don't see much futures of these two, because Dogecoin is alive just because of Elon Musk. If Elon is gone, then everyone will go away. So that's all. So let's move into other chats over here. Okay, Stefan. Hey, Stefan. Yep, and that's what I did with Crow 5652. That's good. Mass adoption, great point. NB, please analyze the Shiba Inu. Only Mana, Ilya Kings, XRP. Okay, Raz. 100x leverage, scam coins. Yeah, you can do 100x leverage on scam coins, and you go very deep. I see a lot of people becoming homeless. Don't be that brave. So I have talked about Ripple last time. XRP. You cannot predict anything unless we get the result of the lawsuit. So overall, I had bad times with XRP, because I was so bullish on XRP last time that it was on number 2 spot like Ethereum on 2017. So right now you can see a lot of people actually bought it very high, even $3. So that was ours. So from second position to right now, it's not even, I don't see it like in top 5. It's like on 7th position. So that's kind of heartbreaking. Just like Cardano, everyone is saying like, okay, Cardano is going to replace Ethereum, and right now it's just falling down because of some security breaches. So the one and only cryptocurrency I'm seeing in the top is Bitcoin. Nobody replaced this one, and I don't think nobody will. Friends, don't let friends trade leverage. Yeah, of course. I already told Raj today that, Raj, don't go with leverage, because actually you can lose so much, because a lot of people makes videos about their gains, or they shares the screenshots about their gains, but how much percentage of people they actually shows their losses, right? There are a lot of people who actually made losses on leverage, and once you are addicted on it, you can never get out of it unless you lose a massive portion, because you will always feel like you just got into it. So that's the point actually. So thanks, Stephen, for bringing this up. And yeah, and you guys can join the Discord as well. I have shared the server link in the description, in the chat list or chat box. You can join there, and let's read out the chats as well. Informer, Stephen, yep. Which coins you're holding, if you don't mind? Yeah, I have mentioned last time, and I'll mention it today as well. Yeah, Leon believes in metaverse. Yeah, I'm holding like Crowcoin, I'm holding Mana, I'm holding Polkadot, Solana, and also Avalanche. I'm not that much into Avalanche. Like, my wallet is not full of Avalanche, but somehow I'm in. Like, even if it goes to 150, I can make a decent amount out of it. So because last time you saw that Avalanche was going towards almost 150, but because of Bitcoin, everything went down. So let me know, whoever is like holding Avalanche. Are you guys holding Avalanche? This is actually one of the cryptos that I see most of the use cases, and I would be really happy to see Avalanche on like maybe top 3 or top 5 list. Wow, okay, I will try to fix the Discord right now. It's kind of like headache. Okay, I will try to fix it. Okay, thanks, Jim. Thanks. Okay, so I see like we have a lot of people in the live, so you guys can actually write me whatever you're thinking at the moment, and how is your portfolio overall looking like? Is it green? Is it red? Or what's the condition? Because I know a lot of people actually a few days ago, when everything was pumping, I made several videos that I warned everyone that we're gonna have a strong pullbacks. Even for Crow, I have made a video about we're going to 54 cents. I received like a lot of hate comments because of that. But yeah, end of the day, we are back where I was thinking, because if you have highs, this kind of highs, you have this kind of lows as well. So let's see how everything plays for us. Okay, Stephen, this old man is addicted with Crow, Mana, and Matic are the only other coins which interest me. Well, Stephen, I always say that you're smart, so you have made smart decisions. Crow, Mana, Matic, they are my favorites as well. Okay, we have one new guy, Ashraf. Welcome to the live chat. Think, do you think about Hive? Okay, we have to look at Hive, what is it and how it is doing. So mass adoption got Crow at an average of 12 cents. Wow, that's good. Huge discount, right? Sold 40% on an average of 90 cents. Would you buy back in, or just hold it till we possibly get another high? So wow, you have made huge profit out of Crow. That's no doubt. I have no doubt on it. But of course, having Crow in the wallet, actually you will have something, valuable in your wallet. So I see Crow as a long-term asset, as I showed everyone about Binance Coin as well. So yep. Stephen, but I will sell everything to upgrade the card at lowest price possible. Wow. Yeah, me too. I'm looking for upgrade as well. So yeah, going to next one. Jim is saying that I am only down 2.4% as of now. That's really good, Jim. That shows actually that's very good. Like a lot of guys I'm seeing right now, you guys are actually not newbies. You guys actually know how crypto works actually. You guys actually know this pump and dumps happens always. You guys have the gut. Otherwise I see a lot of newbies, they comes to actually the comment section, because I told you guys that I read all the comments. I go to comment section and I see that they're saying, okay, this thing is going to zero, that's going to, system is going down, this with that. So sometimes I feel really scary looking into those comments. So but very good to see here that you guys know already. Okay, mass adoption, you're welcome. My Crow and Mana is keeping my wallet balanced for now. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, Crow will always keep it balanced, I guess. Leon, I see it frequently. When it's like bottoming, just don't say it for a couple of weeks. You will see something very good whenever you come back after 2 weeks, Because when it's down, when we have a pullback, I never see my wallets. I just follow the, Coinbase, what are the new coins and stuff, but also coin market cap. But I don't see my wallet that often if it's going down. Okay, so we have Nick Neo. Love the fact that you see the bullish outcome. Your positivity keep me in the game. Yeah. Yeah, so it was Nick. So Nick, the thing is like, we will eventually go down and we will bounce back again. If you look at this Bitcoin, we're like bouncing on 55 days average. Even if we have 10% pullback, doesn't matter. We will obviously go towards upward direction. So the last thing is the profit margin. Where do you want to take your profit? It depends on you guys, because there will be me saying, there will be a lot of people saying that, okay, don't sell, stay on it, then you can have more profits. But it depends on you, where do you want to see, because your budget, your financial situations more than anybody else. So this all depends on you. But remember, when cryptos goes like towards upward direction, higher highs, breaks all-time records, it goes to moon, the only thing you should consider about selling when it goes to moon, because that's the only time when you should think about your profits and don't be greedy. So let's move on with the comments. I started 2 weeks ago yesterday. So yeah, what could be the best time to join the crypto world, Jim? You have entered into it on a very good time. So what is your thought on UFO gaming? Well, I was actually researching today about UFO, and I have found few articles where they said like UFO can be like was it ultra, yeah, they were saying like UFO is like the next big thing, and one of the article was saying completely negative things. So I have to read more about UFO before I give my verdict. So Nick, what software? It's not a software. You can say like, yeah, I'm using TradingView. Nick, John Parker, what's your thought about? Yeah, I have read this one. MLG, did you talk about Crow? Yes, I am talking about Crow. What do you think about Hive and WXP? And I heard something about Amazon today about WXP. Yeah, Leon, you're welcome. Stephen, deep buying techniques. Yeah, deep buying, like when you get used to cryptos, you don't, bother anymore. You know where to buy, you know where to sell. So you will know it as well when you get all into this area now. So Okay, a lot of questions about Hive and WXP. What can you say about Biko? Well, I made a yeah, I didn't make any video about Biko. Let's move to Hive. Let's first see on the coin market cap. 650 million dollars of market cap, volumes going down 50% last 24 hours and to 382. So overall, I have to study about Hive because I don't know about it personally. To be honest, I don't know about Hive. So I have to, it's a decentralized information sharing network. So yeah, the project is like decentralized information sharing network. I can understand the project, but the thing is use cases. Do they have, okay, myriad dApps? They have dApps, APIs, front ends. Okay, so they have few of the things implemented in their projects, but what about the use cases? I have to look at the use cases as well, because you through the graph I don't see it's good, got rejected over here, have the, you can see the major resistance, and then we didn't break, that's why we're coming down. So yeah, uh, I have to look at it more because I have no idea, to be honest. So ENM, what can you say about Biko? Well, to be honest, Biko, I don't feel good about it because I was looking into it because one of you commented that look at Biko. I looked at it and I was not satisfied. The graph doesn't even have that much information, but look at this. We actually created a lot of lower lows. See, we are bearish. Technically, we are bearish. So let's see. Technically, Biko is bearish. So yeah, you have to move to minimum $7 to actually have your, to actually at least actually to move towards the resistance level. You have to at least move towards $7. Then I would say like, okay, it's bouncing back from its trend line, and then you have to go to $8 mark. And I see like it's technically bearish, so I have nothing else to say. You can see it's actually, if you follow the trend, it's going down. Okay, so Biko is done. Then look at KLV. Okay, Gregory, I'll look at KLV. Okay, Nick says thank you, you're welcome. Memnet, my problem with other YouTube channel about crypto is most of them talk too fast. I cannot grasp as all. Okay guys, excuse me guys, I'll be right back within 1 minute. Please stay tuned. Alright, so where was I? I was talking about KLV, I guess. Yeah, somebody was asking about KLV. So I have to look at KLV and then I'll go to Chainlink. AMP, I already talked about it. And Jim, my problem is other YouTube channels, crypto is most of the time talk so fast, I cannot grasp what they are saying. I see. So, and KLV, I don't know about KLV. Let's see if Clever. I have heard about it. I have looked into it for sure. So whoever asked for Clever, I think it was Gregory. So look at this, man. It's like 119 million. So if it has like less market cap, it's like so volatile. But even though you see market cap is going down from 190 and right now 115, so you get the grasp, like overall it's actually very very volatile. If you invest here, you'll be like gambling your money for sure. But also look at this circular supply. So it's like 30%, 34% of the circular supply is like 3.40 billion. Wow. So circular supply is like so much. And also look at this volume last 24 hours, it's going down, and $119 million market cap is like so volatile, you'll be losing your money. Wow. So guys, so you can write on the chat anything you want me to say, anything you want me to chart. Chainlink, yeah, I was looking into Chainlink for a long time. So if you look at 1 day's range, actually Chainlink is going towards bottom. It's like following the Bitcoin, right? Because if I go towards 1 day chart, then you will see we are following same as Bitcoin. Yup. Yeah, it's like Chainlink is following Bitcoin. We are going we had three white soldiers, I would say. It's not technically white soldier, but look at this. It's almost 3 white soldiers over here, and volume is going up. That's good. So it's like almost following Bitcoin. You have to look at Bitcoin, how Bitcoin is doing, then you will get a result about Chainlink. So it will be influenced by BTC, and slowly if BTC goes up, Chainlink will eventually go up. And if it goes towards sideways, even though if it goes towards sideways, then at least it will be around 50% from now. So 50% will take you like where? So from here 50% will take you almost 29, and right now we are standing on 22. So yeah, even if we get sideways, you would expect like 29 if we follow Bitcoin. So yep. And Thomas is talking about MTB. Yep, thank you for AMP. Just want to know about metaverse. Well, a lot of I'm really optimistic about metaverse projects. Stephen, when a new investor can hold through the crash, they gain patience and experience. Important to always research the project behind the coin, even read the white paper. How can you do buy pre-sale tokens, please? Okay, so Stephen, I actually agree with you that before buying we should actually take a look at the projects, about the use cases. The first thing we have to think about whether this project can survive next 2-3 years. So if yes, if there have a lot of use cases, if you think that yes, this can actually survive, then you should invest in that. Otherwise, I have previously invested in a lot of shit coins, and end of the day those meme coins was not good investments for me. But later on, when I did a very good gain on Shiba Inu, but I don't recommend you guys, but I already knew that Shiba will fly. That is why I invested, because Dogecoin at this moment was the first meme coin that was going up. So eventually when you see that, even if you see these days, if one metaverse project is going up, there will be second one going. So you can always be sure that if one gaming NFT is going up, then you are sure that the next big next rival NFT will also go towards upward direction. So these are the same games, you know. So I knew that it will go up. I gambled on it and I got my reward. So I don't recommend you guys to invest in meme coins. And in my channel, I know you guys will be really angry for me to say that. If I say like, okay, meme coins are bad, you will be really angry because a lot of you I know invested heavily in Shiba Inu. But yeah, truth is truth, so I have to say anyway. So Carol, so how can do you buy pre-sale tokens, please? I don't know. Binance projects are one of them. They actually pre-sale, but eventually I don't see Binance Launchpad projects doing well. So I am Max Lean. Any thoughts on CTSI? GALA, please. Thank you. Of course, I'll look into GALA. How about GALA? Romnick. Okay, I'll look into GALA. And Jim is saying, I just can't see metaverse gaming to really boom till the young and children can play too. My grandchildren play Roblox daily. Yeah, exactly. Ethereum. And the grandchildren don't have crypto wallets. Yeah, of course. We don't expect them to have crypto wallets right now, but in future there will be at least play to earn games, and those will be really popular because if you see people earning something rewards after playing games, they will find something useful out of them, right? There will be a lot of professional gamers, you know. So overall, I see this industry will boom, as well as, you know, you see Alice coin, you can see like Engine coin, they are also booming. You can see GALA, and a lot of them. You can see UFO. So yeah, those coins will boom as well. So can I ask, what do you think about Crow? Crow is my first choice, Juan. So I see it for a long term, and I see a lot of possibilities, potential in Crow coin. Shukri, BTT. So I have mentioned about BTT in my last video, so it will be really great to look at that. Like I posted like yesterday, I guess. Yeah, it was surprising that Tejo's partnership with Ubisoft didn't pump Engine coin. So Engine already pumped, at least. Like I saw last time, Engine was doing good. Let's see Engine coin. Because Tejas today I saw it was pumping. But let's see Engine coin, what is happening. Well, we're down only not that much. Yeah, you know why we didn't pump that much? Because the first reason could be Bitcoin. Yeah, see, we were actually going up, and when the Bitcoin crash happened, we followed. We got influenced by BTC. You can see right now the same amount of, if I go to, yeah, same, it's like same as BTC. If you look at GALA or BTC, you will see the same, you see the same as BTC for Engine coin. So a lot of coins in the market are influenced by BTC very heavily. So there will be time when they will come out of BTC influences, but it will take some time because BTC has to rally slowly towards upward direction. I hope it doesn't make another bear trap, but I really hope BTC slowly moves towards upward direction. Okay, so guys, one more thing. If you want to share anything, if you want any cryptos to be charted by me, you can write down on the comment section. You can join the Discord. You can join the poll about your wallet. Is it like green, red, whatever color is it? Or okay, so there was few comments about VSS and also few other. Okay, Tezos. Yeah, it was pumping today. Nice. It got out of the resistance, I can see. Yep. Yep, we got out of the bearish trend. That's really good. I hope it doesn't make another pullback. Then otherwise we will come back to our bearish, channel, like you can say. So yeah, we will retest this position again. Hopefully we will retest our 5.3 position. Maybe 5.4, 5.3 we will come back, and then we will jump back again towards maybe Tejas is looking into like how much we can expect from Tejas. Let's see. If we can expect 786, that means $9, around 9 we can expect. I would say 8.6 for Tejas would be very good. Yep, we can expect 786 because we got rejected last time over here. If you have patience, then I see next 8.7 is my target for Tejas. That's good. Haha, yeah. Wow, local liquid. I'm seeing this guy after a long time. Yeah, hey man, welcome to the live stream, local liquid. I see you after a long time. I used to read your comments, but not these days. But yeah, let's see. Local liquid, do you also own stocks? Yeah, I have stocks like I have, for example, Palantir. I had AMC and also GameStop as well. I had Neo. I had like green energy. I had like green energy stocks and Snapchat, and also some others, Tesla as well, but long ago I sold Tesla. So I had a lot of it. So yeah, I'm also in stocks as well. So I'm not doing only cryptos, but I have like a lot of stocks as well. Big portion is on Apple because I like steady movement. Slow and steady wins the race. So I have big amount, like here in crypto I have 60% of my wallet is full of crow coins, and maybe in stock it's more like 35 to 40% is full of Apple stocks. So yep, Palantir looks good. You guys, if you are in stock, you can have Palantir for a long term. So I would ask Liquid, which ones are you holding? So let's go back with the chats. The whole NFT thing, I will never get one till they are 50 cents. I'm just too cheap. Okay, so it depends. It depends on a lot of things. Whether gaming NFTs have future, I can't say, but it depends on, as I say, it depends on constant context. Yeah. So yep. El Salvador, this guy holds a lot of bitcoins. The average price is like 48,000, right? Stephen Thomas, link the Discord please. Discord, you can find it on the chat. Yep. Jim on the top. Thomas, yeah, on the top. Shokri Informer, you can buy BTT on Binance. I'm Yaba on Discord. Okay, nice to know, Jim. Yeah, I bought one for 50, regretting spending that crow. What did you buy on 50? Palantir or something? What? Palantir didn't reach 50. Jim, ouch. What did you buy, Mr. Stephen? So, what price do you think Crow will get by the year end? Well, Yuan Suarez. So, at the end of this year, I cannot precisely say what will happen, because crypto, we're still in our uncertainty, because this time does not guarantee you anything, because there are a lot of events coming upcoming days. Let's see those events, and as well as Crowcoin will have more events coming. So let's see all of those, what happens, and then we can decide where we are heading. But at this moment I cannot say anything, but I would look at 74 on average for Crowcoins in upcoming days. So yep, after Christmas, I would definitely want to see Crow at average 74 cents. Can Gala will reach all-time high this week? I don't see all-time high coming this week. Rominic. Okay, cool. Do you think beer as market stock with crazy mass printing will reflect crypto? Well, first of all, if you look at oil market, if you look at gas market, if you look at SPY, and if you look at overall, in general, if you look at SPY, we broke out of 466. I was looking today, it was, let's see, market will close very soon, so let's see S&P 500s. Let's look at SPY. So yeah, we were rallying. Right now we're on 469. We broke out of 66, which was our major resistance, and I think like we will rally around 474 area. That's not, like bearish. That's not bearish, because that was just a dip because of those kind of news, and I think like we will be all right, all right. So a lot of peoples are buying the dip, but one more thing about Fed is like, you know, there have been like 40% more money was printed. So overall the debt will rise up, and Feds are buying like uh, lot of shits they made up, like bonds, lot of bonds, and because of that people are printing a lot of bonds as well. So this overall thing will reflect in interest rate, and because of that you will see some kind of changes happens to stock market, and that will actually reflect BTC as well, the crypto market eventually. Well, I showed you guys about the inflation, right, uh, last time. It's about in developing countries more or less, but I think like if Corona goes away, I think I don't see any inflation, to be honest. I don't see inflation coming. A lot of people on the internet, in 2008 when inflation came at that time, nobody predicted that, right? But when they predicted, it didn't happen. So be sure that we won't go in that far. I don't see any inflation coming, to be honest. It's just it's just those guys, spreading rumors. So let's see. Yeah, time will say everything, right? So I'll be super happy with 81 cents crow, right? Binance is not in Texas. Okay. So Jim Asby, US just passed a 1 trillion spending bill. Yeah. Sooner or later they'll have to print it. Well, the only thing is the circular supply with US dollars, you don't have limit but in crypto you have limit. That is why I was saying that sooner or later we'll have cryptocurrencies as our reserved currency. So let's see, let's hope for the best. Romanic, thank you. Informer, greetings from Texan. Okay, we have two guys from Texas. Gregory, my biggest gain being Fidelity Contra Fund. Okay, that's good. That's nice to know, Gregory. I'm happy for you. You need to fix your Discord channels are blocked. Okay, because I have blocked it because of few of the bots coming in. I had in my last Discord channel I had like around almost 600 bots. I was so mad about it, and they made about my fake accounts as well in YouTube and also in Discord, and asking people for money. But one thing, guys, you guys are right now live watching me in this stream. I will never ask for money, and I will never contact you personally for that. So there are a lot of scammers, be aware. So yeah, let's go forward. I will fix the Discord very soon, guys, and I'll give you guys an update. It's 2:20 a.m. here, the same time zone as you Texans. Okay, well, I'm more or less in Europe, so here it's like 10:23 p.m. Yeah, is it like snowy over there? I don't know, I have no idea, but here it is very snowy. We didn't had this much of snow last year or even the year before. Thank you for your TA daily, though, much appreciate. You're welcome. LRC, please. Of course, let's go with LRC. Let's talk about more cryptos. Hey, and also, guys, I'm really happy to see a lot of you. Last time I saw you on the live stream, and today as well. I feel like you guys are like, this is the feeling when you see your friends. Whenever I am live streaming, I see a lot of you, the known faces. I feel really happy because I feel like, okay, my friends are here, so I can like at least start talking. So yeah, wow, LRC is looking good. We are out of our trend, and look at this. LRC always had this kind of moves, like huge impulsive move, pullback, impulsive move, pullbacks. But this time we had made this kind of V shape, W shape, right? So a lot of altcoins are making double bottom patterns. If it's actually a double bottom, if it reaches like $3.31, I think from there it will blast towards $4 mark minimum. So yeah, if it can rally above 3.02, not 02, through 3.17, if it can rally above 3.17 in 0.5 position, then I see it's touching around $4 almost. It will touch around $4 for sure. So yeah, LRC is looking good. But having said that, guys, anything can happen with BTC in upcoming days. So having said that, that could be an issue. But yeah, here it's clear we are almost forming. We're not done yet, but almost forming, almost. So if we can jump from here, then $4 is evident. But what about now? We are standing on $2.85. Can we? So $2.85, our resistance is on previous candle close. We should get into $3.18 minimum, because we have our resistance over there. And if we can go towards 0.5, that means 3.34. That means we'll be breaking our previous resistance points, and then we will have a small pullback around maybe same position, 382 position, to retest our support, and then towards $4, bam. So yep, LRC is looking good, but you have to be in LRC for a long term, because I see a lot of people, last time it broke out from here. I mentioned to a lot of people about LRC. Okay, one more thing. I mentioned them about LRC breakout, but even though they didn't hold it for long, because LRC is for long-term holders. You cannot like have this for shorter term profits, otherwise you will be losing money. So let's look at our RS index for, because this is the most important part I have missed. So yeah, so RS for day is like almost 60, for the week is almost 70, and for 4 hours is almost 70. So you can see a pullback very soon. You will see a very pullback very soon for LRC. So if you're planning to move towards LRC, then you have to wait, because we will have a pullback around, maybe we will go towards 290s position, then we'll have a pullback around 250s, around 250 260, and then push towards upward direction. So that's also possible. So having said that, don't move into LRC right now. Just wait, we'll have a small pullback towards downward direction. Okay, GMashB, yes. Liquid, thanks for your TA daily Thor, much appreciated. Well, you're welcome. Liquid, LRC, yep. Will you accept Crow donations? Well, I will think about it once Crow reaches $2, and then we will talk about it. But at the moment, I'm very happy, guys, because you, especially Stephen, Liquid, and you guys, Jim, and everyone, you join live chat every day and live stream actually every day. So this actually makes me feel really good. I feel like I have lots of friends here. This gives me motivation to move forward. What can I expect more, so you guys are supporting me. That's the most important thing I want. So yeah, that means a lot to me, guys. So thank you very much. So yeah, let's get back to the graph. Whoever is thinking to get into LRC, will have a small pullback, and then you can onboard into LRC around 2.6 something. Yeah, and then you can onboard into that, and then we fly high. So yeah, wait for the pullback. I don't know how long it will be. It can be around 20%, it can be 30%, but let's see. Yep, you can expect 2.6 to 2.5 as a pullback location. So yep, Hema Babu Boba, okay, thank you, you're welcome. I agree, Stephen. Jim, okay, Loopring is a surprise contender with ETH ZK rollup. Yeah, well, Loopring obviously has potential, but the thing is, a lot of people are not holding it for a long time, because it's actually the dip was, if you look at the dip, look at this, it went towards almost $1.60. If somebody would have bought this thing that in that particular location right now, they would have had like 70% profit, right? Look at this, 70% in a bearish momentum. You see, 70% means a lot in 1 week's time. Less than 1 week, it's like 4 days, and you have 70% gains. So this is how things work. You have to always target the dip. So yeah, that's good. Thank you. I'm just a Midwestern country boy trying to make sense of this new world. My grandfather used to say, embrace change or get left behind. Well, I have heard a very good thing for the day. Yeah, this quotation or these words made my day today, because actually I think the same. Everything runs, businesses and everything runs on innovation, and if you don't embrace the changes, you will definitely left behind. Because right now you can see, before we had that paper money, and these days people use credit cards, debit cards, right? We use telephones, smartphones. So if we don't embrace that things in our life, we don't survive. So yeah, we have to embrace the changes. And Also, one more thing, guys, like there are not enough people who speaks the same as us. We actually, there are few people, like only 400 people, 400 million people in this world who actually speaks the same crypto language as we do. So they're not much. Maybe 200 millions are like highly educated on cryptos, but having said that, we are the beginners, we are the newcomers, or we are the pathfinders, or how do you describe this thing, that we're the first branch of people who stepped into crypto. Because maybe somebody was telling me about their grandchildren, they'll be using it in their regular lives because they will be playing video games that involves blockchain. They'll be earning so much rewards in tokens, and they'll gonna send it to their banks and stuff. So these things are gonna be normal in one day, so you will feel like, oh, those early days of telephones, right? So yeah, 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 pioneers. Yeah, exact word I was looking for. So we feel like the pioneers. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Stephen, Thomas, Steve Doggo. Hey, Steve. Welcome to the stream. Cognition. Yeah, pioneers. Thanks, man. Thanks. Well, early adopters as well. Yep. Can I enter to Crow right now? I don't know, but E&M, I think you just missed the dip, because if you look at Crow, I don't know what is the market price right now, but let's see. We are standing on 61. Might be, like 50. The 50ish was the good location. I know, like Stephen and other guys, they brought it like average 52, 54, which was the, I think, like the right location. But yeah, overall that was the dip, I guess. Let's see if BTC goes to terrible situation, or something new comes in from the Fed's meeting after 1 or 2 days. Then you might see another dip. Let's wait and see. Fortune favors the brave. Yep. And Hema Babu. Hi, my name is Babu. I recently started following you. Good TFA, various cryptos. Can you please give your thought about BTC pullback to 43,000? Thank you. Okay. True that, Jim, Stephen, Thomas, and James. We are the beginning. Yeah, the pioneers of cryptos. Yep, let's see how far we can go with this. But having said that, a lot of you have brought the dip with whatever coins you are holding. But that's the good thing. In long run, maybe in April, even if you sell in April, you will see a huge gains in your wallet. So that's good. Yep, 12 years ago there weren't like that much of exchanges as well. You had to buy coins manually, so that's the technology have moved very fast. So we might need one more decade, so you will see like 1 to 2 billion people, like they will use cryptocurrencies in their regular life. So having said that, BTC towards 43,000, I cannot deny that, because that's also possible. Let's see. Then we have to go towards shorter time frame, because in longer time frame we cannot like expect that one. Mm-hmm. So look at one thing, guys. In shorter time frame, if you look at BTC, I would say, yep, look at this. We actually tested this position several times. We actually went back towards one step above after breaking this 236 position, which was actually 48,000. We tested this position, and then we went up, and now we are testing around 50,000 marks. So actually we are finding support over here, and you can see the support became, the resistance became our support. Over here it was our resistance on around how much, or around 49,000, and look at this, 49,000 became our support. So this is a very good move from BTC. If you look at shorter time frame, look at this. We tested this position, we went up, and then we tested successfully, and then we will maybe go towards 53, we will test our 51,000, and slowly we will move up towards higher direction. So having said that, BTC is looking very, very good, guys. So I don't expect 53,000 unless something bad happens, you know, something bad comes in on the way. I see slowly we will rally up. If we go slowly towards upward direction, then this will be very stronger move, you know, so we can actually hold the you know, upper positions. Because if we have this kind of artificial moves over here, you can see, if we have this kind of moves, that indicates that we'll have a pullback. So here we had this pullback. So I would say that let's hope we slowly rally up, then it will be more stronger for us. We can hold actually that, you know, position in the top. So yep, I hope that answers. So I hope so. 12 years ago, but I was just scared or had no money. Yeah, I was also like, you know, in 2013 I was doing forex, and I had found some of the good things in crypto, even though I thought like Bitcoin was overpriced at that time. 13,000 was, I thought like, oh wow, Bitcoin hit like almost 12 to 13,000. It's so much, it's gonna go down towards maybe 500. But yeah, that's the early thoughts. That is what you learn in that early times. And 2017 I invested heavily, and that is how you learn, you know. I mined some of the cryptos, and I left some because people were saying that it's gonna go towards zero, and you learn from your experiences. Okay, let's look at Polygon. He thought like Polygon will have a pullback. So let's see what's happening with Polygon. So yeah, actually yesterday, or yeah, I have made a video about Polygon, about this double bottom shape. It will have a pullback and then it will accelerate, right? I made a video. So it actually made a pullback, but pullback was around this position. Yep, 2.22. So you left it at 2.40, right? So you made a mistake. Yeah, you made a mistake, because look at this. I actually made a video about it, that we made this double bottom, we had the pullback, then it was our time to accelerate. You sold at the time of acceleration. So yeah, I see like it's easy $3-4 for Matic, at least $3 I see for Polygon. So yeah. So all right guys, it was fun. It was my pleasure to be in this live, and I think like I will start wrapping up for today. And thank you very much for staying in this live, especially Steve, who came and suggested a lot of things, and also Stephen, Cognito, Thomas, and everyone of you, Diobi, BTC gonna dip, yeah, ENM, and a lot of you. Thank you very much, Jim, as well. So Jim, yeah, well, those videos from a few days ago seem to be holding up. Yep, yesterday, I think like yesterday night I have made that video about Polygon, so you could have a look. But anyways, all the best to you, to Steve. Thank you for coming to this live, and Stephen as well. Steve, Stephen, Jim, thank you very much, guys, and all of you, Thomas, and thank you for being at this live. live stream, and I hope to see you in the next one. And it was my pleasure, and I'm really grateful for you guys that you guys always show up. And Panos, thank you very much. Thank you for joining. And guys, have a nice evening. Stay safe, stay healthy. Michael, yep, Gala is moving. Okay, Michael as well, you as well. See you, Jim. Thank you. Bye bye.